legit dying. Oh my god. Whew. I'm just dying right now. Grandma, sit. Say good morning. How are you? Why are you sad? Why are you so sad? Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Yes, baby. What happened? What is it? Where's your shoes? Go for your shoes. How are you all doing, you guys? I just finished working out. Just finished. Haven't even got the time to catch my breath. Workout was the bomb this morning. You know, most morning when I get out of bed, I honestly do not feel like working out. Most morning I just want to crawl back in bed. I want to eat in bed. I want to sleep in bed. I just want to stay in bed all day. Go for it. Go for your shoes. But if I follow my mind and if I follow the devil, especially at this time of the year where it's cold and you just want to stay in bed and cuddle, if you follow your mind, you'll never get out of bed. You'll never get workout done. If you keep putting it off, it will never ever done. So I know it's just a phase. So when I'm feeling like that, I still complain, but I still get out and I get the work done. And by the time I finish workout, I am extremely happy I did that, because it just feels so good after working out. Working out is just everything for me. It just gets me so right. It doesn't matter how I'm feeling or what is going through my mind. Workout just get it right. All I need is my playlist, my headphones, and I'm good to go. So make sure you guys get your workout in. Make sure you guys have a wonderful day. Whatever it is that you guys might be feeling, or whatever it is that you guys might be going through as you're watching this video, do something that make you feel better. Don't stay there and feel sorry for yourself, but you're going to do that after you finish watching this vlog. All right, so make sure you guys have a wonderful day. Shake off the feeling, shake it off. Do something that make you feel better. Don't feel sorry for yourself and stay there and complain and say, oh, I don't feel like working out because I want to stay in bed. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's the devil in your head. Don't do it. Whatever it is, just do something that makes you feel better. And on that note, have a good day. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog, and I'll catch you guys later. Baby's off to work as usual. Tyler is home, and Tyler will not be going to the daycare today because buses strike today again in some areas, and I don't want to take him to daycare and then get stranded on the road and can't reach to work. So baby's going to come home and keep Tyler today after he finished working, and then take me to work. That way I'll be okay when it comes onto the bus. Into kitchen after breakfast and workout, and I'm throwing these fish into the oven to bake for about 20 minutes. There's quinoa here cooking, and there's veggie steaming. It is such a beautiful day out today. When I step outside, it's so sunny. You don't even need a thick jacket. That's how crazy this weather is. Let me show you guys a glimpse of how beautiful it looks outside today. See that? And construction is still going on the balcony. They're not finished just yet, so we can't go out there. They finished painting though, and all that is just to put back the protective glass here, and then we should be good to go. But it's such a beautiful day out. The beach is looking beautiful and bright, pretty. It's sunny out, looking really nice out today. So almost finished cooking and clean up everywhere, and I can relax a little bit because I don't have to take Tella to daycare today, so I don't have to rush to go and catch the bus because baby's coming home, so that's a good thing. So after I finish cooking, I can get some lunch from Dad, and we'll have food for today and for tomorrow, so I don't have to cook tomorrow. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. Tyler is in here somewhere watching TV. Let me see if I can find him. Hey, why are you standing so close to the TV? Don't stand so close to the TV. Happy is coming. Sit, baby. Don't stand so close to the TV. And why are you only in one foot of shoes? Sit, baby, sit. Lunchtime for somebody. What are you eating? What are you eating, baby? Yes, you're watching bus, but what are you eating? What is this? Ham. Yes, it's ham and pasta. And then you're gonna have yogurt, right? You giving some to the faves? You give them some of your lunch, or you're just watching TV? You giving them some of your lunch? You share some of your lunch with them? Nom nom numbers. Well guys, I guess you guys ain't getting no lunch today. Oh, I'm so tired from working out and going straight to the kitchen. I'm exhausted now. It's time to rest. What a long nap that was. Hey you. What a long nap. What a long nap. Look at that face. You have mama lips. Oh my god. That's the only thing you get from me? Guess who is home? Guess who is home, Tyler? Guess who is home? Tyler, who is that? Who is that? Yes, that's Papa. That's Papa. You happy? You happy? You happy to see Papa? Who is that? That's Papa. Papa is home. Papa is home. Baby's home and taking me to work, but first I'm going to satisfy my needs and Tyler needs, because this morning Tyler wake up crying for croissant, but we didn't have any croissant at home, so I decided that okay, I'm going to go to the bakery and get him croissant before baby carry me to work.
Hi guys, home and already going to get a croissant. Hopefully we can find one.
So we're going to the bakery to try and see if I can pick up croissants, and then I head to work.
You want it?
You guys, satisfying, and baby's having his favorite chocolate bread, and I'm having croissant, and Tella's having croissant. And funny enough, I get the last 3 croissants.
Oh,
yeah. Look at Tella enjoying his croissant. Tella, what are you eating? What is that? Croissant?
It was nobody behind you.
No.
Because I can just imagine the face of the person behind. Hi guys, so I'm back home alone. Yeah, so I dropped Delaveau after she finished to eat her croissant. I'm home. I'm home alone with Tyler. Wait, 22. I'm home alone with Tyler, and yeah, we're watching TV, just doing some papers that I couldn't do all day. So yeah, just relaxing. And Tyler decided to wait 31, and Tyler decided to take his 32. Good job. His book numbers, and he shut out in the house. 1, 2, 3. Say it in French and English. Like if he's mad.
Nothing, Daddy. 21. Oh,
21, nice. Allez, continue.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 35,
24 is this one.
34,
25.
35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 50.
30. Good job. High five, Papa. High five, Papa. Good job, Tyler. Alright, so we just hear Tyler does his numbers. He likes to do his numbers like he's proud, and he just shout out until we listening to him. We 31 until we're listening to him. So yeah, I'm gonna 32. I'm gonna spend some time with him. 33.
Hi guys, so I'm actually just here editing this vlog and realized that we went to bed and didn't end the vlog properly. So I'm just coming on to tell you guys thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. We love you guys and we appreciate all the love, and subscribe if it's your first time watching. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog.